everyone. So we are continuing to solve our 10th grade maths CBSE board paper of 2015 set 1. We have already finished doing section A, section B and section C in our previous videos, and in this video we are going to do section D. And here we have 11 questions in this section and 4 marks each. So let's start with question number 21. In this question, the diagonal of a rectangular field. So we have a rectangular field and the diagonal is 16 meters more than the shorter side. So we can say let the shorter side be x meters. Diagonal is 16 more than the shorter side, so 16 plus x, this is x, and the longer side is 14 meters more than shorter side, and we have to find length and breadth. Therefore breadth is equal to x meter, length is equal to x plus 14 meter, and the diagonal is equal to x plus 16 meter. So I know it is a rectangle, so it will be a 90-degree angle here. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we have x square plus x plus 14 whole square is equal to x plus 16 whole square. So we have x square plus 28x plus 196 is equal to x square plus 32x plus 256. So here we have 2x square minus x square plus 28x minus 32x plus 196 minus 256 is equal to 0. Then we have x square minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. So here we can split the middle term. So sum has to be minus 4 and product has to be minus 60. The numbers are minus 10 and plus 6. So let's split the middle term here. X square minus 10x plus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. X is common. X minus 10 plus 6 is common. X minus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 6 or it is equal to 10. But as length cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore breadth is equal to 10 meters and length is equal to x plus 14, 10 plus 14, so 24 meter. So answer, length is equal to 24 meter and breadth is equal to 10 meter. Question 22nd. In this question we have to find the 60th term and n is equal to 60. There are 60 terms and AP is given as 8, 10, 12 and so on, and we also have to find the sum of last 10 term. So I can say A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 10 minus 8, so 2. Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. A is 8, n is 60, so 59 into D is 2. So 8 plus 118 and this is equal to 126. So first answer. So we know the last term or the 60th term is 126. So last term is equal to 126. I can write down my AP as in the reverse form. Will be equal to 126, 124 122, 120, and so on. So here my A becomes 126, N we have to find for last 10 terms, and D here is -2 now. So S10 I have to find out, and Sn formula is equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into T. So this is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 126 plus 9 into -2. So we have 5 here, and 252 minus 18. So this is equal to 5 into 234. This is equal to 1170. Answer I can write down as 60th term is equal to 126, and the sum of last 10 terms is equal to 1170. Question number 23. Here we have to find the first speed of train. Let the first speed be x kilometer per hour, and we know speed is equal to distance by time, but here we are given the time of total journey. Time is equal to distance by speed. Now we know the time taken by the first journey and time taken by the second journey is given as 3 hours. So let's write down. First distance is 54, and the speed we took it as x, then time to 63 kilometers. It traveled with the speed of 6 kilometer per hour more. So x plus 6 is equal to 3. Now I can take 3 common here. So 18 by x plus 21 by x plus 6 is equal to 1. LCM, so x plus 6 into 18 plus 21, x is equal to x into x plus 6. So we have 18x plus 108 plus 21x is equal to x square plus 6x. Now taking everything on the right hand side, we have x square plus 6x minus 18x minus 21x minus 108 is equal to 0. So x square and minus 33x minus 108 is equal to 0. So now we have to split the middle term such that sum is equal to minus 33 and product is equal to minus 108. So let's find out the factors. So 108 into 1, 54 into 2, and 36 into 3. So these are the factors. Now x square minus 36x plus 3x minus 108 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 36 plus 3 is common, x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now the factors are x plus 3 and x minus 36. So we have x is equal to either minus 3 or we have 36. Now as the speed cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 36. So answer I can write down as the first speed is 36 kilometer per hour. Question 24. In this question, we have to prove the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let's see, this is the circle with center O, and this be the external point, and these are the two tangents drawn. So let this point be R, this be P, this be Q, and center is O. We can join OR, and we can draw center to the point of contact. This is equal to 90 degrees. Given we have a circle with center O and tangents PR and QR drawn from external point R. Now we have construction here. Join OR and perpendiculars OP and OQ to prove PR is equal to QR. In triangles OPR and OQR, so we have to write down the statements and we have to write down the reasons. OP is equal to OQ. Both are radii of same circle. Angle OPR is equal to OQR is equal to 90 degrees. So perpendicular from center to tangent. OR is equal to OR. So that is common. Triangle OPR is congruent to triangle OQR by RHS property. So therefore PR is equal to QR by CBSE. So hence proved. Question 25th. In this question we have to prove that the tangent drawn at the midpoint of an arc of a circle. Okay, so this is the circle with center O, and let this be the arc AB, and midpoint of this, and tangent is drawn here. So let this be T, this be P, and this be Q. Tangent drawn at the midpoint of an arc of the circle is parallel to the chord joining the end points of the arc. So we have to prove this is parallel to this. Okay, so what is given to us is a circle with center O and arc AB, and T is the midpoint of arc AB. Then we have to join this, so there is a chord AB, and tangent at midpoint of arc PTQ. Construction, we know we had to join AB, OA and OB. So we have this and OT. So let's join this. Okay, and we have to prove that AB is parallel to PTQ, the line PQ. OT and AB intersect at M. So this point is M. So now for proof, we'll consider the triangles AOM and BOM. So let's write down our statements and reasons. So we have first is OA is equal to OB. We know these both are radii of same circle. Then second point, we can say OM is equal to OM. That's the common side, and we can say angle AOM is equal to angle BOM, angles made by equal arcs. Okay, therefore I can say that triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM by SAS property of congruency. Then therefore we can say that angle AMO is equal to angle BMO by CPCTC. Then we have angle AMO plus angle BMO is equal to 180 degree. The reason being linear pair of angles. Angle AMO is equal to angle BMO is equal to 180 degree by 2, because both are equal from 5 and 6th point. And we also know that angle AMO is also equal to angle PTO. Both are equal to 90 degree. Why PTO? So angle PTO is equal to 90 degree as line from center to tangent. Therefore angle AMO and angle PTO form corresponding angles. Therefore I can say that AB is parallel to PTQ line, hence proved. Question 26th, it's on construction. In this question we have to construct a triangle ABC. Let's draw the rough diagram first. So this triangle AB is given as 6 centimeter. This point is C. And then we have to construct a similar triangle to triangle ABC with base AB dash 8 centimeter. So this will be C dash, such that we have AB dash by AB is equal to 8 by 6. So the ratio is 4 by 3. We are given angle A as 30 degree and angle B as 60 degree. Let's start constructing now. I am going to draw. You can construct with compass, ruler. This is AB as 6 centimeter. Then we have to construct a 30 degree angle, this arc and this arc and the bisector of this angle. So this will be 30 degree angle. Then at B we have to construct 60 degree. And then this arc, can draw, this is my 60 degree and this we can join. So this is my point C. We have drawn the triangle ABC. This angle is 60 degree. Now I have to draw another similar triangle and the ratio of the sides is 3 and 4. So from A at any angle I'll draw a line AZ. Now I'll take some radius in my compass and I'll draw 4 arcs. So 1, 2, 3, 4 equal arcs. Let this be A1, A2, A3 and A4. I'll join my A3 and B. Then I'll measure this angle because I have to draw a parallel line from A4. So then I'll draw the same angle and a parallel line, and this is my B dash, which meets AB extended. Here again I'll draw a 60-degree angle. So again I'll draw an arc and a 60-degree. So this line will be parallel to BC, and this is C dash. I'll join C and C dash. A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. Question 27. This question is based on trigonometry. It says at a point A, which is 20 meters above the level of the water of the lake. Let this be the level of the lake. Here we have water. Okay, and point A is 20 meters above the level of the water. Angle of elevation of the cloud is 30 degrees. So here we have the cloud, and this angle of elevation is 30 degrees. The angle of depression of the reflection. Okay, reflection will be of the equal height, right? So I can take my cloud here. This is the reflection. So this angle is 60 degrees. And you have to find the distance of the cloud from A. So let this point be C, let this point be D, and this point be E. So this is the diagram, and we have to find out AC. We are just given this distance. So let BC is equal to H meters. Therefore, BD will be equal to H plus 20 plus 20. So H plus 40 meters. Tan 30 degree is equal to H by AB. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So H by AB. AB is equal to root 3 H. Tan 60 degree is equal to BD by AB. So tan 60 degrees root 3 is equal to BD, we know it's H plus 40, and AB I can write down as root 3H here. So 3H is equal to H plus 40, 2H is equal to 40, H is equal to 20 meter. So we have got H. Now we have to find AC. So I can say sine 30 degree is equal to BC by AC. So sine 30 degree is half, and BC is equal to height, so that's 20, and AC we have to find out. Therefore AC is equal to 40 meters. So answer, the distance of cloud from A is equal to 40 meter. Question 28 on probability. In this question, they say a card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of playing cards. So we know there are 52 cards in a deck. So total number of outcomes will be 52. We can write down the formula for probability. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, now we'll go to each part. There are 4 parts. First part, a card of a spade or an ace. So we know there are 13 spades and rest 3 aces, right? So there are 4 aces, but one we have already counted as spade, so there are 16 cards, right? So total favorable outcomes are 16, and therefore probability of this event will be equal to 16 by 52. So 4 times and 13, so 4 by 13 is the answer. Second part, they say a black king. So we know there are 2 black kings. Therefore probability of this event is equal to 2 by 52. So we have 1 by 26. Answer. Third part, neither jack nor a king. So there are 4 jacks and there are 4 kings. So number of favorable outcomes will be equal to 52 minus 4 minus 4. So this is equal to 44. So probability of this event is equal to 44 by 52. So we have 11 and 13. So 11 by 13 is the answer. Now fourth part, either a king or a queen. So there are 4 kings and there are 4 queens. So number of favorable outcomes are 4 plus 4. 8. So probability of this event is equal to 8 by 52. 2 times and 13 times. So 2 by 13 is the answer. Question 29th. So this question is based on coordinate geometry, area of triangle. So we are given the vertices of the triangle. So let these be A 1 and minus 1, B minus 4 2k, and C as minus k minus 5, and area is given as 24 square units, and we have to find k. So x1 y1 is 1 and minus 1 we can take, and x2 y2 we can take as minus 4 and this will be 2k. x3 y3 we can take as minus k and minus 5. So area of the triangle formula first. So area is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Let's substitute the values. Area is given to us as 24. This 2 I can bring it this side. So we have x1 as 1, y2 2k minus becomes plus 5 plus x2 is minus 4 into y3 is minus 5 and y1 is minus 1, so it becomes plus 1, plus x3 is minus k and y1 is minus 1 minus 2k. Okay, so we have 48 is equal to 2k plus 5 plus 20 minus 4 plus k plus 2k square. So 2k square plus 3k plus 21 minus 48 is equal to 0. 2k square plus 3k minus 27 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this, so we can split the middle term such that sum is equal to 3 and product is equal to 54, minus 54. So we know the numbers easily here. It would be 9 and minus 6. So product is minus 54 and sum is 3. So 2k square plus 9k minus 6k minus 27 is equal to 0. K is common, 2k plus 9 minus 3 is common, 2k plus 9 is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 9 by 2 or it is equal to 3. Answer. Question 30. This question is based on areas related to circles, and in this question we are given a square PQRS and each side is equal to 42 meters, and we have two circular flower beds on the side PS and QR with center O, which is the intersection of the diagonals of this square, and the shaded part. So we have to find the area of the shaded part. So we have to find the area of the sectors first. First find out the radius. The diagonals of a square bisect each other at 90 degree. So these angles are 90 degree. Therefore, angle ROQ and angle SOP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, in triangle ROQ, according to Pythagoras theorem, we have OQ square plus OR square is equal to PQ square. So let's take this as radius square plus radius square is equal to 42 square. So 2R square is equal to 42 into 42, and we have R square is equal to 42 into 21. So let's multiply. We get R square is equal to 21 to 2 here, 84 plus 4, 88. Area of segment here is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. ROQ I can say. Then we have area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height. So we have here the angle is 90 degree, 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius square is 882. I can take like that, and this is half into base and height, both are same, so that also I can take it as r square. So 882. Now I can take 882 common, and here 1 4, and this is 11 2. 11 by 14 minus half. So we have 882. This will be the area of two segments I need. So I'll write down this 2 into LCM is, here we have 14 and 11 minus 7. So 4. So this we have as 7 2 times 7 1, 2 times 14 and 6. So we have 4, 24, 10, 1, 504 meter square. So answer, total area of two flower beds is equal to 504 meter square. Question 31st. last question of this section as well as this question paper. This question says, from each end of the solid metal cylinder. Okay, so this is my solid metal cylinder, and the metal was scooped out in hemispherical form of same diameter. So this was scooped out, and the height is equal to 10 centimeter, and its base radius is equal to 4.2 centimeter, and the rest of the cylinder is melted and converted into the cylindrical wire. So this is the cylindrical wire of thickness 1.4 centimeter. So here diameter is equal to 1.4 centimeter, so radius will be 0.7 centimeter, and we have to find the length of the wire. So here I can say the volume of cylinder minus volume of sphere, because hemisphere on the top and hemisphere in the down same radius, so I can just say sphere. This is equal to volume of cylindrical wire, I can say. Let's write down the formula. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Both radius are same. Volume of cylinder, so pi r of wire square and h of wire. Let's substitute the values now. So pi I can take common and it will get cancelled. So I'm left with radius 4.2 whole square into 10 minus 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 whole square is equal to 0.7 whole square into length of the wire. So here we have 3 and 1.4. So now I can take 4.2 whole square common, and this would be 10 minus 5.6 is equal to 0.7 into 0.7 into L. Therefore L is equal to 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.4 divided by 0.7 into 0.7. This decimal and these decimals are cancelled, and this is 6 and 6. So length I get as 36 into 4.4. Let's multiply. So 36 and 4, 24 and 144. So length I'll get as 158.4, and the unit would be centimeter because everything to us is given in centimeter. So answer, the length of the wire is 158.4 centimeter. Yay! So we have finished this question paper of 2015 set 1. Stay tuned and see you all.